Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about the most important aspect which people are forgetting if they are having corona. That is diet. As you know, many people have asked me like they are having corona or they are going through coronal or they are going through viral fever symptoms, and they are not aware of the fact like what diet they can eat so that it will help them to get better quickly. As you know, in Ayurveda, in addition to medicines, diet is a very important aspect. If you go to any Ayurveda doctor, he always recommend you what to eat, what not to eat, this to eat, this not to eat. Unfortunately, in Western medicine, we don't pay so much attention on diet aspect. But in corona or any viral fever, Ayurveda recommends a specific kind of diet. For example, the mistake mostly people are doing, they are having curd, which is no good if you are having corona fever or any kind of viral fever. Though curd is very good, very healthy diet, but in corona if you are eating curd, it will enhance the kapha dosh. And as you know, the present status of corona is this: it is impacting your lungs, it causes inflammation in the system and especially in the lungs, sometimes in GI tract, that is gastrointestinal tract, and in some cases conjunctivitis, any kind of inflammation that is happening in everybody's body according to the patient's immunity levels. So, as you know, this virus is very quickly changing its strains. These all things are very common and it's too much on the media. But today I will focus only on diet aspect. If you are having corona or any kind of viral fever, what are the precautions regarding food that you need to take which will help you to get better soon? First and foremost common mistake people are doing, they are having coconut water. Especially in South India and in major cities of India, they are started drinking coconut water. Though coconut water is extremely nutritious, it is very good hydrating agent, but if you are going through viral fever, you should avoid coconut water. Or even if you are having corona or any kind of flu, you should avoid coconut water, because coconut water is very cooling in potency and coconut water is also responsible for enhancing kapha dosh. When there will be excessive kapha dosh, it will impact your lungs. As you know, kapha dosh, the place of kapha dosh inside the body according to Ayurveda is lungs. So, if you are taking that diet which enhances your kapha dosh, it will make the health of your lungs more bad. So, in this perspective, you should avoid drinking coconut water, especially if you have any kind of viral fever that is going to impact your lungs or any viral fever that is going to cause any kind of inflammatory response in your system. So, first and foremost thing that you need to avoid is coconut water, because it is very cooling in potency. Once your fever will go down, once your chest will become healthy and everything will become normal, after that for recovery phase, if you want to have, you can have coconut water. But if you have little bit of cough, mucus in this state, if you are having coconut water, it will worsen the situation according to Ayurveda. Next thing is, whenever people are feeling this kind of fever, corona fever, especially in the first 6 days, it stays between 99 to 100, and after 6th day it suddenly shoot up to 102, 103. So, that is the time that you rush to hospital, especially check your oxygen level, and if it is below 90, you need to go to hospital for oxygen support and consult your doctor. But if it is 99 to 100, many people are feeling a lot of heat in the system and they have started eating curd which has been kept in refrigerator. So this kind of curd, if you are eating and if you are thinking it is very healthy and it is very cooling, so I would like to tell you, according to Ayurveda, this kind of curd is no good in this period. So if you are having curd which is kept in refrigerator, which has been kept in refrigerator, please avoid it, because if you eat it, it will cause pharyngitis. It will also responsible for enhancing kapha dosh, and that is ultimately responsible for inflammatory response in the body, and it enhances the water element or the inflammation in the body. So it is very, very important that you avoid curd in your diet if you are having any kind of fever.